Kane and me, we're at the field. Full scale winds, shocking it down with rain. I don't even know if you can hear me, but it's pouring with rain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, yesterday, the day before, I had lots of minutes of filming and videos on. Hold the camera, to be honest. You love the wet and rain and wind. Alright, I'm talking on here. Kane, go on. It's a follow on from yesterday's doing nothing day.
Looks like it, doesn't it? Oh, they had quite a bit of play yesterday.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, sure they did. Seemed like it anyway.
Well, so far today they're not.
No, they're not.
Looks taking in the view. Don't jump up. Someone's happy to play. You want me to play, dear?
Go on, our video, you play.
What? Yes, I caught you. He was just biting his back and I looked up and he looked at me with his eyeballs, you know, whites of his eyes looking at me. Oh yeah. I got some mints yesterday, so I'll give them their Brevecto when we go home. I meant to have done it this morning because I thought they'd be hungrier in the morning. Oh, come on then, let's not just stand still for the rest of our lives. Nook's thinking, why not?
Mm.
They trod on you, didn't they? Yeah, you tell them. Go on, tell them, Kane. Tell them. Go on. Where's my stone? I can't find my stone. It's the smallest stone there is I've ever seen you with, actually.
That's why you can't find it.
Yeah. He normally brings it with him, doesn't he, if he thinks there's a treat going?
Yeah.
Oh, I better take my stone. Where is it then? Find the stone. Find it. Where's your stone? Where's your
Find
stone?
another one, Kane.
I don't think it was down there.
No, because you were quite a way down, weren't we? Because Nook was up on the wall.
That's true, yeah.
Nook will find it for you. Maybe not.
Never known him to be so still in all my life. I bought a comb the day before yesterday. Dog comb.
Oh yeah.
And it's one of those ones like the brushes that have got long teeth and short teeth, but it's a comb.
Yeah.
And it's quite good to get through, to get the undercoat out as well.
I haven't brushed Nook. I must brush him actually because he's got a load of loose fluff now.
Yeah.
It's too cold to go out.
Well, yeah, I need that.
Yeah, we've lost the sun off of our garden.
Yeah.
When by the time we get back,
So in the shade.
Morning, there's not time to do it. So, yeah, either get warmer or get home earlier. The birds would take it now, I suppose, wouldn't they too?
Yeah.
It's their time again for.
Stop biting, or whatever you're doing, scratching. That's the word I'm looking for.
I can't remember because usually when I watch a video, I can spot it then, even if I haven't spotted it when we're out.
Stop biting, Kane. Kane. Oi!
He is doing it more today.
Oh. Yeah, it seems weird.
Yeah.
Give him his tablet this afternoon and see what he's like tomorrow. Oh. Oh, God. You're in the wrong place at the wrong time, Nook. Help me, Nook. Yeah, I'm staying with my mum. Let them get on with it. Don't mind me. What are you doing there?
All right.
You'll just about survive. Too old he's going to play. Going to play with Nook. Thought they were going to then. Thought Kane was going over to Nook. Go and play with Nook. Go on, Kane. You've been scratching that on your head, haven't you? Little devil. There's another one he's got just here. Just above his eye.
Gets it off more.
I know, yeah. Run, Bray, run. Run, Bray. Hey?
I wondered who was making the noise. I think it's Kane.
Kane, yeah. Kane's making all that noise. Tell him off. Yeah, you come behind us. Run! Run, Bray. They can't catch you. Run! No wonder Kane likes to play with Nook. Bray likes to play with Nook, yeah.
It's the best all-together play they've had for a long time.
Yeah. Well, I don't think Bray would call it a play. Poor baby. They were picking on my baby, weren't they? Eh?
He enjoyed it. He's going back for more.
Yeah.
Is it me or has it suddenly got warm?
I think the wind's died down for a bit. I can't actually say warm comes into my mind.
It's warmed up all.
It's watching all that exercise.
Maybe, yeah.
You look like you've been in dog fights, all these scars on your head.
Hello, Kane. I didn't give anybody anything. You want one? Hold on, let's get 3 out.
Let's get mine ready.
Yeah, you might be quicker actually. Hold on. Right. Kane. Right.
Hang on. It's me now. It's me that's holding everything up.
You're not aiming at the dogs either.
I really do. Hang on. There we go. Right. That's your fuel. Go on. Go and play again.
You didn't have one from me, did you?
No,
that
he's
was the one
just
you
had
wouldn't
his.
have had.
Go
Oh.
on. Go and play.
Okay.
Go and play. We're worn out. Nook's thinking you must be joking. I'm going over that way. Go on then. Go and play with Kane. Go on. Do I have to?
No.
Bray, no. All gone. Go and play. Go on. You're right, those treats are what fills you. I never have nails normally, and they're not much of a nail.
No, it is, isn't it? Where you
But yeah,
about in the bottom there.
but it's really annoying me. Bits of biscuit down my nail.
Airplane.
Yeah. That's not a sky bus, is it?
They're not usually that high.
No, that's what I was thinking.
There's something I read it on this morning.
They don't take much notice of you, Kane.
Short and sweet.
Yeah. Go and get him, Bray. Where's Nook going? Where's Kane gone? Is it coming back? Thought it was getting louder again.
It's because they saw it in the farmer's field.
Yeah. Go and do a video on my phone at those people in their field.
Spy plane for us. Yeah. There's a lot of cows in that field over there.
Sorry?
A lot of cows in that field.
Yeah, and I was looking at the field in front of it. In fact, there's a car just gone between, so it's the other side of the road, actually. Are brown cows, so I was going to say, I wonder if they're them, but you were talking and I forgot to say to you.
Yeah, because they've definitely gone out of that field this morning.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad they're in a grassy field anyway. Come on, up along, stop scratching. Kane, stop. What have we got here? Money spider.
Money spider. Oh, I have one number again on the lottery. That's about 9 of mine have come out since before Christmas.
I watched this programme last night. Well, it was on. You know Vera, the Brenda Blethyn?
Yeah.
Well, she's done this other programme where it's comedy where she's got a little cafe. Koji or
yeah.
Co.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it was on last night on ITV3. And on the anniversary of her mother death or something, she always puts a horse on because her mum did. Or it might have been like I don't know, the Grand National or something like that. So she's asked somebody in the cafe to go to the betting shop and put this horse on. And he was black. And he said there was lots of people in there being racist. Didn't tell her, he told her nephew. He says, so I left and I came back later on and they closed, I think, so he couldn't put the bet on. So he gave the money, £5 and the bet, back to the nephew to say, oh, don't tell her at the moment because they hadn't run the race. And
Feeling I've seen that one.
yeah, well, it is. It's repeats. And it turned out that it was second, her horse. And then it came up, there was a steward's inquiry, and it would have been thousands of pounds.
No.
And her horse might have won. But it was quite...
I don't know when I watched that because...
It used to be on ITV.
I haven't watched many of them.
During lockdown, the first lockdown, I think. And sun's trying to come through.
Because he doesn't like Vera. He doesn't like...
Oh, he doesn't like her at all? No.
So it must have been when he'd gone to bed, maybe. I don't know. But I thought it was quite funny.
Yeah, I don't think I watched it first time around. But it's funny because this black man is here as a refugee.
That's right, and he sits in the cafe.
Yeah, but he's actually a doctor. And he people come and see him in a cafe. And he's gone and got himself this lovely camel coloured coat from a charity shop or something. And they're looking inside the coat and saw this person's name. She said, you know who that is? He's a mass murderer, this bloke. And of course she won't have the coat in the cafe then because it's unlucky. He's a murderer. You can't wear a murderer's coat. He says, well, the coat didn't murder people.
I think I remember seeing the very first one where the black man came into the cafe to start with, and I can't quite remember. But
is it called Kate and Koji or something like that?
Something like that, isn't it? Yeah. Koji bit rings a bell.
I think somebody's getting in the car park, so wait for the rush. I can hear...
She shut it down or something, the cafe. Did something happen?
Not in last night's episode.
No. It doesn't sound like a car.
He's revving it up, whoever it is. Can't drive.
Look here. I can hear people. Here. Yes. Good boy, Nook. Oh, for God's sake. Good boy.
Come here, Kane. Come here. Good boy.
You hear people talking down there.
Ah. Right, now go and play. No, Bray. Don't even think about running off.
Good boy.
Somebody can't drive down there, I think. Should we walk around a bit?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, this way. This way. Look. Good boy. Can't find my stone, but I can find food. Go and find your stick, Kane. Where's your stick? Where's your stick? Thought the sun was that the sun or the moon up there?
I think it's the sun because it's round.
Oh yeah.
Then the moon's round, isn't it?
Sometimes.
No, always.
Well, true, yeah. You riding that bike again?
You want the patch one? Then tiny. You have to put some more of those white ones in.
Yeah.
Those white ones are going on forever.
I know. And every now and again I'll be looking for something and I come across another bag of them. And I've only ever had two.
What, 2 bags?
2 bags.
I've only ever had that one.
Yeah.
For his birthday, but
Yeah.
and they're so crunchy. They haven't gone soft
No.
or anything.
No, they're good.
And they are all wrapped up in a bag. Did you get one? I don't remember. Yeah, but don't tell you anything. Look's still wondering what's in the car park.
Go and help find his stick. Nook, come and find Kane's stick. Who's going to find it first? Bray finds it. He'll be so proud of himself. He's given up now, bored with that game.
You'll probably find out that the farmer is one of your subscribers on
Yeah.
YouTube and watches exactly what we do.
Yeah. Oh, the man with the tent.
Oh yeah. It's chilly, isn't it, for being on the ground?
Yeah.
But then I suppose they're so
They get warm, don't worry.
they wouldn't notice.
Sorry?
They wouldn't notice it.
No, they wouldn't care whether it's cold or snowing or not.
One there waiting to trip us up, look.
Yeah,
Well
Ready.
and truly that one.
yeah.
It's a wonder we don't fall down more than we do.
Sorry?
It's a wonder we don't fall down more
I
than we
know.
do.
Especially when you're filming, because you're not looking at where you're walking.
The holes and the
Yeah.
Good boy, Nook. Good boy. You said that quietly, didn't you? Good boy.
Where's that stick then? Where's that stick, Kane? You heard good boy, didn't you?
You went the wrong way, Nook. It's a phrase anyway. This is Kane. Kane. Quick, Kane, quick. Ow. Do you want a biscuit then? Because you don't get a biscuit. Do you want a biscuit? That's all gone now. All gone. You've all had a biscuit. Coronation Street's on tonight.
Yeah, for an hour.
Yeah.
Football on, I suppose, tomorrow.
Oh, that's so, yeah.
Football on both sides as well this week. Haven't you seen it?
No, I haven't looked, but I've been told.
Yeah, Coronation Street's been taken off and they've put football on both sides at the same time.
But Emmerdale is on every night, I think, at 7:30.
Yes.
Coronation Street time. Why they've done that? Is that true?
Well, yes, it's the new schedule because they're going to put the news on for an hour now. And local news normal. Then ITN news comes on at 6:30 till 7:30. Then Emmerdale, then Coronation Street's 8. But EastEnders, not EastEnders, BBC are doing something similar as well.
Because we watch BBC. Spotlight.
Ah. And that was before we had any news. Now we've got news, I can understand it wanting to be on an hour.
Well, it used to be the whole news taken up with COVID, didn't it? Every single
Well,
time.
yeah, that's true, yeah. But before COVID, there was nothing on the news anyway. If it was depressing. Somebody killed their baby or something.
Oh, yeah.
Just, I don't know, hang them or something. They're not worth living in our society if they can kill their own child. Perhaps cyclists have gone past.
Yes, it could have been. Nobody took any notice.
No. Where's your stick? What's that on you? What have you got on you then? Well, no point in facing me, is it, when I need to look at the other side? He was looking round by his tail, like something was on him. Around here. Bits of grass, I think. Stop biting, Kane.